This Coldwell Banker SSK, Realtors property video is presented by Renee Anderson. All brick 4-bedroom/3 bath on over half an acre west/a wired brick workshop to match. Custom cabinets west/granite countertops throughout and farmhouse sink in kitchen. Covered front and back porch west/wood ceilings. One bedroom has its own bathroom and could be used as a mother-in-law suite. Large laundry room west/cabinets and closet. Only 4 years old and tons of upgrades and love have gone into this home. Seller added privacy fence, gutters, 30 by 30 stamped concrete patio, stamped concrete around landscape, wired workshop, slate tile from back patio to the workshop, bolted down pergola, upgraded to Trane thermostat, upgraded dishwasher 3 months ago, and under cabinet lighting. Fridge in kitchen stays, freezer in garage stays, washer and dryer stay. 3 32 inches TVs in 3 bedrooms $25 each. 100% USDA financing area. For more information, review the details below or contact Renee Anderson at 478-390-7690.